Hello everyone, my name is Basirumbai. I am from the Gambia, currently pursuing my Bachelor's of Commerce degree from MS University of Vadodara. While I was pursuing my BCom degree from MSU, I decided to learn some new skills, data analytics to be specific. When I had this idea in mind, I went to Google and made some research about the course. I found out that it has a very good potential in the future. Then I made research with regards to institutions that are providing this course, particularly around the MSU Baroda area. I came across many institutions. I have visited some in person, some I have contacted online. Most of them I visited, but I was not actually satisfied because of so many reasons. One day I just visited Bright Computer Education. When I came here, I found that it was the perfect place for me. It took me 2 months to make this decision, but once I came to Bright Computer Education, the following day was the day, in fact, I took the admission here. Because once I spoke to the people here, I knew that this was the right place for me. After 2 months of searching, it took me 2 days to make this decision, and it's perfect for me. I will say it's one of the best decisions that I will ever take in my life, and I will not, if I had to restart all over again, I don't think there's anything I will change from it actually. So when I enrolled here, everybody treated me like a family member, which made me feel very welcome. Nobody treated me like I was different. I'm not from India or otherwise. Everybody smiled, and then they just welcomed me with open arms as well. So that made me feel welcome. I always feel happy coming here. Even after closing from my college, I am always happy to come here because of I feel very welcome. So when I was taking this course, I have learned so many skills, including some skills like not including but not limited to data extraction, data manipulation, data cleaning and data visualization, as well as some report preparation and presentations, even including some networking skills as well. So for me, this is just a beginning. I would like to continue forward in this